Hey bro, check out my new dog. Well, that's cool. You got a dog. It's kind of cool. Hey, wait a second. Wait just a second. There's no dog. There's no dog there. That is right. I tricked you. Oh, Gordon, I'm gonna be like, what? This is not really an ASDF movie kind of thing, but whatever. Oh.